The industry is going through an interesting period. Our customers are becoming more and more sophisticated. The technology is getting better, so the capability of the cutting tools is increasing as well. One of the trends that even before the cost of carbide hit us was that our customer's customer, who's actually machining the components, are looking for more custom types of cutting tools that improve the tool life of those cutting tools and reduce the cost of that end piece that they're actually machining. That meant that our customers have already started talking more and more about the requirement for more SKUs, less long production runs, because the customers are demanding different types of cutting tools for specific applications. So amplified by that, or pouring petrol onto that type of trend, is the increased cost of carbide, because that means that that extended tool life that our end customer is looking for becomes even more important. So they're trying to do more with less, but it is a fact that with the increased cost of carbide, customers are going to be looking for more flexibility and more custom type tools. Our customers that can produce tools that have a longer tool life than their competitors will have a competitive advantage in the market, and they'll be able to charge a premium for that tool. And so we have a range of products to help with the improvement in tool life. So part of it is just the stability of our machines. So the ability to hold a production run within a couple of micron on all key geometry features means that consistently the tool life is very good. There is things like the wheel technology, and our advantages of our software being able to leverage off that wheel technology is important for improving it. The RN35 released a number of new geometries which are designed to increase the tool life. Another exciting product that we've just released is our EPX. At the moment, it's a really hot topic because the end customers, to reduce their tooling cost, are going to be demanding longer tool lives. And the EPX is an edge preparation machine for doing the rounding of the edges, deburring of the tools, and going through an edge preparation process increases the tool life significantly. The results we're getting off that machine is fantastic, and we have an added advantage that it has automation, so that means that you can really extend the productivity of the machine. It will be able to be connected into our AIMS universe as well, so you'll be able to include it within your factory automation as well. The round carbide shank tool is here to stay. There is many reasons why, even with the cost of carbide increases, that it is still the most effective and important type of cutting tool in the industry. But there is opportunities in some areas for diversification. So for example, inserts. So inserts is an important part, and with the technologies around the geometries that you can achieve out of special inserts these days, that is in some cases a viable alternative. And of course, that means that you don't have the full shank or the full blank of carbide that you have to pay for. We have a great solution in Insert Pro, which is a dedicated wizard with lots of different geometries and automation solutions for the production of the special inserts. These, again, won't replace carbide round shank tool, but the popularity in these areas will grow. We do face the requirement in our industry to be more flexible. Our customers to their customers needs to be more flexible in this agile world that we live in, with lots of changes happening. And so if you can find ways of being efficient while being flexible, that's a really big selling point for you to compete effectively in the market.